If you want to quickly fill in color in Photopea, whether you're working on line art, a shape, or a full selection, this guide will show you the fastest methods step by step. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photopea tips and easy software tutorials. Let's start with the quickest method first, which is the paint bucket tool. This is one of the easiest ways to fill an enclosed area with color in Photopea. On your keyboard, press G to access the tool, or click and hold the gradient tool in the left toolbar and switch to the paint bucket tool from the flyout menu. Once you have it selected, look at the color swatch at the bottom of the toolbar and click it to choose the foreground color you want to fill with. Pick any color you like, then move your cursor over the area you want to color and click once inside the enclosed space. Photopea will instantly fill that section with the selected color. If the fill does not work the way you expect, the next thing to check is the tolerance setting in the top bar. Tolerance controls how similar a pixel has to be before it gets included in the fill. If you set the tolerance higher, Photopea will fill a wider range of nearby shades. If you keep it lower, the fill will stay tighter and more precise. This is especially useful when you are working on drawings, logos, or areas with slightly different shades. If the color spills outside the edges, lower the tolerance. If it leaves unfilled gaps, raise it a little. Now let's move on to the fastest keyboard method for filling a selection. This is perfect when you already have marching ants around an object or area. You can make a full canvas selection with Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac, or use a marquee tool or lasso tool to select a specific section. Once your selection is active, you can fill it instantly using a shortcut. Press Alt+Backspace on Windows or Option+Delete on Mac to fill the selection with your foreground color. If you want to fill it with your background color instead, press Ctrl+Backspace on Windows or Command+Delete on Mac. These shortcuts are extremely useful when you want to work quickly without constantly switching tools. The third method is the best option if you want something non-destructive and easy to edit later. Instead of permanently painting color onto the layer, you can use a color overlay or a fill layer. This is ideal when you want flexibility because you can change the color at any time without starting over. To use color overlay, double-click the layer in the Layers panel to open Layer to Styles. Then check Color Overlay and choose the color you want. This immediately applies a color effect over the entire layer while keeping the original content intact. If you want a separate fill layer, go to Layer, then New Fill Layer, and choose Color Fill. This creates a new editable layer that you can modify anytime. So to recap, if you want the quickest way to fill an enclosed area, use the Paint Bucket tool. If you already have a selection active, use the keyboard shortcuts for instant filling. And if you want the most flexible, editable method, use a color overlay or a fill layer. Each method is useful depending on the kind of project you are working on in Photopea. If this video helped you learn how to fill in on Photopea, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Photopea basics, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.